Hello everyone and welcome back to Slow English. I am so glad you're here. Today is going to be a good one. Trust me. Okay, so let me ask you something. Have you ever met someone new, someone interesting, and you wanted to speak English, but your brain just went completely blank? Nothing. Silence. Just you standing there smiling like you understood everything when you understood absolutely nothing. Yes! We have all been there. And today we are going to fix that, because in this lesson you are going to learn the 15 most useful phrases for talking about yourself in English. And I am not talking about boring textbook phrases. I am talking about real phrases. The ones that real people use in real conversations every single day. Are you ready? Let us go. The first phrase is, "Hi, my name is John. Nice to meet you." Simple, right? But do not underestimate this one. Those 5 words, "nice to meet you," are some of the most powerful words in the English language. Why? Because they immediately tell the other person that you are happy to be talking to them, that you are friendly, that you are present, a job interview, a first date, meeting your new neighbors. It does not matter the situation. Nice to meet you always works. Always. So say it with me right now. Nice to meet you. Good. Now say it like you mean it. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Keep that energy. The second phrase is, "I am originally from Spain, but I live in Madrid now." Oh, this one is so useful because it answers 2 questions at the same time. Where are you from? And where do you live now? And the secret word here is originally. That word tells a little story. It says, I did not start here. I came from somewhere else. And that always makes people curious. They want to know more. So, use it. I am originally from Colombia, but I live in London now. I am originally from a small village, but I live in the city now. See how interesting that sounds? 1 sentence, and suddenly you have a conversation. The third phrase is, I am 25 years old, and I work as a teacher. Now pay attention to this part. I work as a teacher. Not I am teacher. Not my work as teacher. I work as a teacher. This is how native speakers say it. Every time. I work as a nurse. I work as a designer. I work as an accountant. Say your own job right now using this structure. Go ahead. I work as a blank. That is yours. That is how you say it from today. The fourth phrase is, I have been living here for about 3 years. Okay, so this one has some grammar in it. But do not panic. Just listen to the meaning. This phrase tells people that something started in the past and is still happening right now. 3 years ago I moved here, and I am still here today. I have been studying English for 6 months. I have been working at this company for 2 years. I have been living alone since last year. You see the pattern? I have been doing something for a period of time. That is it. That is the whole thing. Not so scary now, right? The fifth phrase is, I currently work in a small company. 1 word. Currently. That 1 word changes everything. It tells the listener that this is your situation right now, today, in this moment of your life. Things might change tomorrow, but right now, currently, this is where you are. I currently live with my family. I currently study at university. I currently work from home. Add currently to your sentences, and instantly, your English sounds more educated and more natural. The sixth phrase is, I am studying English because I want to improve my skills. Because. That little word is so powerful, it explains everything. Why are you doing something? Because. I am exercising because I want to feel better. I am saving money because I want to travel. I am watching this video because I want to speak English. And that last one is true, is it not? You are here because you want something. So tell people. Use because. Explain yourself. People love to understand why you do what you do. The seventh phrase is, in my free time, I usually listen to music or read. So what do you do when you are not working or studying? This is one of the first things people ask when they get to know you. And you need a natural answer ready. Start with in my free time. Then add usually. Then add what you enjoy. In my free time, I usually cook. In my free time, I usually go to the gym. In my free time, I usually watch series in English. Actually, that last one is a great habit, by the way. Watching things in English in your free time is one of the best ways to improve, but that is a conversation for another day. What do you usually do in your free time? Think about it, and practice saying it out loud using this phrase. The eighth phrase is, I really enjoy learning new things. Say it with me. I really enjoy. Feel the difference between I enjoy and I really enjoy. That word really adds so much. It adds personality. It adds energy. It makes you sound like you actually mean what you are saying. I really enjoy cooking for my family. I really enjoy long walks in the morning. I really enjoy learning languages. Whatever you enjoy, add really. And suddenly it sounds alive. The ninth phrase is, I am quite a calm and friendly person. Now here is something interesting about English, especially British English. Native speakers do not usually say, I am a very calm person, or I am extremely friendly. That can sound a little too strong. Instead, they say quite. I am quite patient. I am quite organized. I am quite creative. Quite makes it sound natural and humble. It says, this is generally true about me, but I am not going to shout it. Try describing yourself right now. I am quite a blank person. What word did you choose? The 10th phrase is, I like meeting new people and having conversations. After the verb, like, you always use the ing form. Always. I like meeting. I like having. I like traveling. I like cooking. I like learning. This is one of those grammar rules that will come up again and again in English. And the good news is that it is not complicated at all. Like, plus the ing form. Say 3 things you like doing right now. I like blank. I like blank. I like blank. Good. Those are yours. The 11th phrase is, I usually wake up early during the week. Routines. People love talking about routines, and in English, the word usually is your best friend for this. I usually wake up at 7. I usually have a big breakfast. I usually start work at 9. I usually finish late. Build your whole morning routine using I usually, and you have a complete mini story about your life. Give it a try right now. The 12th phrase is, at the moment, I am focusing on my career. At the moment. What a useful little phrase. It tells people exactly where you are in life right now. Not in the past, not in the future. Right now. At the moment, I am focusing on finishing my degree. At the moment, I am focusing on my health. At the moment, I am focusing on saving money. And focusing on means you are putting your energy there. You are serious about it. So what are you focusing on at the moment? Say it. Use the phrase. The 13th phrase is, I would like to travel more in the future. Dreams. Everyone has them. And in English, the most natural and polite way to talk about your dreams is I would like to. Not I want, I would like to. It sounds softer, more thoughtful, more mature. I would like to live abroad one day. I would like to learn another language. I would like to start my own business. What would you like to do? Say it out loud. I would like to blank. That is your dream in English. The 14th phrase is, one of my goals is to speak English fluently. Goals. This word is important. A goal is not just a dream. A goal is something you are working toward, something serious. And saying one of my goals is very powerful because it shows you have more than one. You are ambitious. You are moving forward. One of my goals is to get a promotion. One of my goals is to move to a new city. One of my goals is to speak English fluently. Say your biggest goal right now using this phrase. Go on. I am listening. And the 15th and final phrase is, it was nice talking to you. You know, just as a conversation starts with nice to meet you, a great conversation ends with it was nice talking to you. It is warm, it is genuine. It tells the other person that you valued the time you spent talking to them. And that feeling? That is what makes people remember you. Not just what you said, but how you made them feel. And that is a wrap for today. 15 phrases for talking about yourself in English. Real phrases. Useful phrases. Your phrases now. Practice them. Say them in the mirror. Record yourself. Use them with a friend. And if this lesson helped you even a little bit, share it with someone who is also learning English. They will thank you for it. Thank you so much for being here with me today on Slow English. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.